symbols of resistors. So as you can see here, all these symbols are for resistors. Okay, for example, for this, two symbols are for the standard resistor, as you can see. So basically this is a US symbol, and this is universal symbol. Okay, so these two symbols for standard resistor. These two symbols, as you can see, are for the light dependent resistor or the photoresistors. We have here two arrows here. Okay, and this symbol is for the network resistor. As you can see, we have here 4 resistors. So the network resistor is a combination of many resistors. Basically, we use the network resistor in order to gain the space in the motherboard. And for these two symbols, as you can see, are for the thermistor resistor. Okay, the thermistor resistor. Now we're gonna see how to calculate the resistor code. So generally, the SMD resistor can have 3 or 4 digits. The last digit represents the number of zeros. The letter R shows the position of the decimal point when it is placed before or between digits. Okay, so generally you can find two kinds or two types of resistors. You can find a resistor with 3 digits or 4 digits. So always the first digit and the second are fixed numbers, and the third one or the fourth one for this type of resistor is the multiplier. Okay, so here we have the first digit, the second digit, and the multiplier. Here we have the first digit, the second and the third digits are fixed, and the fourth is the multiplier. So let's see some examples here. So here, as you can see, if you find this code in the resistor, 101 means 100 ohms. So 1 means we will add 1 0. Okay, so 102 means 1000 ohm. As you can see, the multiplier is 2. Here we will add 2 zeros equal to 1 kilo ohms. 123 we will add 3 zeros, so equal to 12 kilo ohms. 155 we will add here, as you can see, 5 zeros, means 1.5 mega ohms. So for the resistors with 4 digits, so the first digit, the second and the third are fixed numbers, and the fourth digit is the multiplier. Here we have 1, we will add 1 0. Here we have 2 zeros. Here 4 zeros. Okay, so when you find R, so as we have here in the definition, the letter R shows the position of the decimal point. This is the decimal point, as you can see here. Okay, when it is placed before, okay, like this example, or between digits, like this example. Okay, so here we have R10 means 0.1 ohm. 5R4 means 5.4 ohm. 7R50 means 7.5 ohm. 50R0 means 50 ohm. So we're gonna see right now a note, as you can see. Sometimes instead of the letter R, you may find letter K or the letter M. All that letter shows the position of the decimal points, but with different units. So letter R refers to ohms. Okay, letter K refers to kilo ohms. Letter M refers to mega ohms. So let's see some examples. Here we have R10 means 0.1 ohm because we have R. 5R4 equal to 5.4 ohm. So here we have K10 means 0.1 kilo ohm. 5K4 means 5.4 kilo ohm because we have K, and for the M10 equal to 0.1 mega ohms. 5M4 means 5.4 mega ohm. So right now I'm going to teach you how to test the resistors, SMD resistors, using the multimeter. So I want to just add before diving into practical that to measure or to test the resistors, you can use the probes of the multimeter in the both sides. Means you can use the black probe here and the red probe in this side, or the red probe in this side and the black probe in this side, because the resistor is not polarized like the chemical capacitor or electrolytic capacitor. So now let's see how to test the SMD resistors.